If you've been in a car accident with an uninsured driver, there's important steps that you need to take. The first is obvious. You need to call 911 if you've been in a car accident and you've sustained injuries. Calling emergency services is the first logical thing to do because they're professionals. They'll deploy police, fire, ambulance, whatever's appropriate for your accident. Once you've done that, the next one is to call your insurance company. If you've been in an accident with an uninsured driver, there's important steps that you need to take to let your insurance company know that the other driver, the at-fault driver, who was involved in the accident with you is uninsured. That means their vehicle doesn't have insurance on it. Your insurance company needs to know because they will step into the shoes of the at-fault driver. That means that your insurance company, the one you pay insurance premiums to, will be effectively on the other side. That means you're going to have multiple claims with your insurance company. They're going to help fix your car. That's called property damage. They're going to provide you with accident benefits because you require medical and rehabilitative treatment due to your accident-related injuries. But then they're also going to be on for your injury claim. You're going to be advancing a personal injury claim for pain and suffering damages, income loss, future economic losses, household losses, and everything else that you need, medically and otherwise, to make up for your losses sustained in the car accident. So it's important that they know because they have work to do to understand your claim. The next one is to make them aware that the driver is uninsured. It's critical that they are aware that the driver is uninsured because a special part of your insurance kicks in. It's called the Section D coverage. That coverage gives you the ability to open up that injury claim, which we talked about, against the at-fault driver with your own insurance company. Because think of it, without this provision in your insurance policy, who would you recover against? Technically, you could bring a legal claim against that driver, but most people don't have assets personally in their bank account or otherwise to satisfy a judgment for your injuries. You don't want to recover money from somebody personally. That's what insurance is there for. So Section D coverage is that ability to bring an injury claim against your own insurance company. They step into the shoes for the uninsured person. They sort out recovery afterwards, but you're satisfied with insurance money that's available. The amount of coverage that you're able to access is dictated by the coverage and endorsements which you may have purchased. The SEF 44 endorsement is also called the Family Protection Endorsement. This will increase the coverage available to you and others who may have been involved in the incident. You're going to want to ask your broker, check your policy, or call your insurance company and ask if you have the SEF 44 coverage on your policy at the time of the accident. And lastly, you may need to bring a legal claim. There are specific time limits that apply to a legal claim in the province. You don't have forever to think about a claim, to understand what your injuries are and seek compensation. If you're looking to recover for pain and suffering damages, future care costs, inability to work in the future, household obligations that you can't do, out-of-pocket expenses that you'll incur. If you're looking to recover any type of compensation for your injuries and losses and damages, they may well need to come through a legal claim if you can't resolve your claim by the limitation period. You need to protect your rights to bring a claim, and that means calling your insurance company, telling them about the loss, and bringing a legal claim by the limitation period if you haven't been able to settle your claim with your insurance company. There's a lot going on when it comes to uninsured vehicle car accident injury claims. If you have questions about what to do next, what your next step is, just call us. My name's Jeff Mitchell. I'm a car accident injury lawyer. I help people recover compensation when they've been injured in a car accident with an uninsured driver. So ask questions to me and I'll give you answers the same day. There's no cost, no obligation. For me, it's on us to give you as the public information so that you can make informed decisions about what to do next. So don't sit there with your questions, just ask. We've been asked them all before. It's so easy for me to give you answers that will be helpful to inform what you do next, where you stand, what your rights are, and ultimately how to be treated fairly by your insurance company. So drive safe, take care, and I look forward to hearing from you.